Hello students, in previous video I made you understand the estimation of two numbers. Today I will make you understand operation in estimation, means how to find estimated sum of two number, how to find the estimated difference of two number, how to find the estimated product of two number, and how to find the estimated quotient of two number. It can be understood directly and easily by an example. Okay, so first of all we will learn how to estimate the sum. An example is given here. Estimate the sum 69 plus 73 to nearest 10. In previous video I told you how to estimate any two number at 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Okay, so similarly we will do the numbers, given numbers, round off. Okay, there are two steps to find out the estimated sum, estimated difference, estimated product, or estimated quotient. First step, first of all we will round off the number, then after we will addition, then after we will do addition, subtraction, product, and find out the quotient. Okay, so the question is saying the estimate the sum 69 plus 73 to the nearest 10, because round off of 69 to the nearest 10 will be 70. Why? I told you we have to round this number at 10th place. At 10th place 6 is there, 1 is 10, 6 is there, and I told you whenever at which place we have to round off, we will see the number which is written before that place, that is the 9, and 9 is more than 5, so we will add the 1 in 6, it will be 7, and at the place of 9 we will write the 0. Then 70 will be the round off number of 69. Similarly, we will find the round off number of 73 to the nearest 10. It will also be 70. Why? Because at 10th place in this number 7 is there, and before 7 3 is there, and 3 is less than 5, or in case of less than 5 we never add 1, so 7 will remain 7, and at place of 3 it will be 0. Means so the round off of 69 at nearest 10 will be 70, and round off of 73 to the nearest 10 will be 70. Now we have to find the sum. So we will find the required sum. 70 plus 70, it will be 140. Okay. Now we will take one more example. Estimate the sum of 2563 plus 8469 to nearest 1000. Now here we have to round off these two numbers at 1000 place. So first of all, because the round off of 2563 to the nearest 1000, what will be there? We have to find out the round off at 1000 place. Then 1, 10, 100, 1000. At 1000 place 2 is there, and before that 5 is there. In case of 5 or more than 5, we will add the 1 in that. It will be 3. 2 will be 3, and at the place of rest of this number we will write the 0. Means the round off of 2563 to the nearest 1000, it will be 3000, and round off of 8469, what will be the round off of this number at 1000 place? 1, 10, 100, 1000. At 1000 place 8 is there, and before that 4 is there, and 4 is less than 5. In this case we will not add the 1, then 8 will remain 8, and at place of these three numbers we will write the 0. Okay, then the required sum, what will be the required sum? We will add it 3000 plus 8000, and it will be 11,000. This is the answer. Okay, now to estimate the difference, as we have find out the estimated sum, similarly we will do in finding out the estimated difference. Only difference is there. Here we are doing addition, and here we will do the subtraction. Okay, the example is there. Estimate the difference 56,738 minus 2,395. First is that to the nearest 100. Estimate the difference of these number to nearest 100. So first of all we will round off these number one by one. 1, 10, 100. At 100 place 7 is there in this number. Okay, we have to find out the round off of this number to the nearest 100. 1, 10, 100. 7 is there, and before 7 3 is there, and 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So in this case we will not add 1 in 7. So this will be 5, 6, and 7 will remain 7, and the place of 3, 8, it will be 0. Okay, now round off 2395 to the nearest 100 place. 1, 10, 100. At 100 place 3 is there, and before 3 9 is there. 9 is more than 5, so in this case we will add 1 in 3, it will be 4. Then 2, 4, we will write the 4 instead of the 3, and rest of the number will be 0. Now we have to find the required difference. So what will be the difference? We will subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 7 minus 4, 3, and that is the 4, and then 5. It means 54,300. Okay, then the required difference, 54,300 is the answer. Now how to find the estimated product? Exactly same. Okay, first of all we will find out the estimation round off number of given number, then we will multiply. Product means multiplication. Okay, estimate the product of 382 and 247 to the nearest 100. So first of all we will find out the estimate round off of 382 to the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100. So what will be the round off of this number? 1, 10, 100. At 100 place 3 is there, and before that 8 is there, and 8 is more than 5. In this case we will add the 1 in 4, and rest at place of 8 and 2 we will write the 0. So the round off of 382 to the nearest 100, it is 400. Now round off of 247 to the nearest 100. 1, 10, 100. At 100 place 2 is there, before that 4 is there. 4 is less than 5. In this case we will not add 1, so 2 will remain 2, and at place of 4 is 7, we will write the 0. Then the required product, 400 into 200, 2 4s are 8, and 1 2 3 4, and 80,000 is the answer. Exactly same we will do in finding out the estimate question. We will take one example. We will understand by the example. Estimate the quotient 972 divided by 462 to the nearest 100. Okay, it may be nearest 100, it may be nearest 10, nearest 1000, whatever is there. The process and finding out the estimated sum, product, division, difference will remain same. Okay, so first of all we will find the round off number to nearest 100 of both of the number. Round off of 972 to the nearest 100. 1, 10, 100. At 100 place 9 is there, before that 7 is there. 7 is more than 5, so in this case we will add 1 in that, it will be 10, and at place of 72 we will write the 0. 2 digits are there, we will write 2 digits. Now round off of 462 to the nearest 100. At 100 place 1, 10, 100, 4 is there, and before 4 6 is there. 6 is more than 5. In this case we will add 1, so it will be 5, and instead of 62 we will write the 20. Now we have to find what? Estimated quotient. Quotient means division. So 1000 divided by 500, when you will cut this 2, then the required quotient is 2. So this is the process, this is the method to find out the estimated product, estimated quotient, estimated difference, and addition as well. So Later I will just give you some question in the chapter of estimation. I think 2B exercise is there. So that in that exercise you have to do all that question which will be marked. Okay, till then keep practice and be safe at your home. Thank you.